Hey, what's up, guys? It's Daryl with Auto Dreams. Hey, yeah, I'm right here. The guy waving. Okay, yeah, you see me. Hey, you're wondering what's up with all the coats and the jackets? Well, fall weather has finally made its way down to Houston, Texas. We'll see how long that lasts. It's liable to be 90 degrees in a couple days. Anyway, I'm out here at Towne Lake, cars and coffee. Should be a great day. I'm going to do my best to bring all the cool imagery that you're accustomed to seeing. You're looking at me now from the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone. It's my new drone, just got a few days ago, so I'm excited about that. So stay tuned. So if you're ready, let's get this party on the road. Let's do it. Nice white Huracan Lamborghini. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you. Thank you, man. It's right there. Brand spanking new Mercedes C63S. I like that. Got the red F430. The 427 Cobras. Both in matching silver. Brave fellas in this chilly weather today. And the yellow Ferrari Pista is back. Got Ryan in the house. Gorgeous yellow Lamborghini. Diablo. Got the Lexus sitting on the slab. Look at those tires, guys. Look at those wheels. Tilted in hard. SS Camaro. Old school Porsche. Not sure what the model is. If you know, drop a comment. It's definitely a very nice one. Mercedes Benz. Very nice. BMW M3. I don't know all the model numbers, the E whatever, but hey, back in the early 90s, this was the car to have. All right, guys, I've been out flying a drone. Let me get back to the GoPro here, capture some action. Of course, my baby, nice, pretty yellow Dodge Viper. We saw these Cobras when they came in, a little orange Viper. Got the Corvette and a couple more Vipers. Looking really good, looking really good. We got the Jeeps representing the day, side by side. I want to capture, got another Aston Martin convertible. Guys, they call this the Vanderhall. You don't see too many of those. Open top. Very interesting. Single wheel in the back. We got the red Alfa Romeo 4C. Looking really good. Wiping down the SS. Huh? What year is it?
14.
14.
Yeah.
What kind of spray are you using?
I'm actually using this West
West Coast. All right.
Yeah.
Wheels all shined up glossy. Nice car, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Got Audi row right here. Got nice white S7. Got the RS3 Quattro. It's actually a light turnout today. I think it's the weather. You know, Texas, we don't play. You know, it gets down to 50 degrees like it is today, and you swear we were in Antarctica. So it's definitely kept some people indoors. Not as many cars, but hey, we're gonna make the best of it. I just had to capture that. That's a huge dog, very huge. Come on. With a nice green Hellcat red eye. Got another Lexus, an airbag sitting very, very low, guys, sitting very low. All right, let me come down GTR row here. All right, got the pretty red 570S McLaren. Oh, I like this Aventador SVJ. That's very nice. These are so beautiful. Got carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber side mirrors. Carbon fiber galore. That is a gorgeous car. Check out this BMW, guys. Not sure what year it is, but can't be too many of these left in the country. Look at this.
Hey, but look at the year I was born.
Of course, we got the Diablo. Very nice Aston Martin. I believe my guy Darren said DB11. D12. That's very nice.
Everything? Shock, everything? Red one.
Got the Vanderhall even. Uh-oh. He getting on it. Sounds good. We got the Lamborghini coming out. Of course, aerial views courtesy of the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone. Okay, another car meet in the books. I really appreciate the support. Hope you enjoyed it. Please share, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and check out some of my recent videos. There'll be some here at the bottom of the screen or over here somewhere. So once again, thanks for everything. See you on the next one.